Hello, today we are going to see how to use Ubuntu Linux system on Windows 10. The problem I've seen people have today when they start running Linux is not having a Linux machine such as Ubuntu or Kali Linux. So, and they end up going with virtual or technology such as VMware or any other technology. So that is not so bad, but given to the machine specification, especially here in Africa, the machine sometimes doesn't have the capability to run this virtual machine, virtual technology on your machine because the machine is not that powerful. Therefore, it can slow you down or even can kill your machine when you give it the heavy stuff to do. And there is a simple way you can have the Linux subsystem on a Windows 10. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do it today. So the things you're going to do is to open setting here, go to settings, and let me bring it here. So you go settings, and you're going to find update and security. What is update and security? Update and security, which is here. And you go here down to, for developer here. You click for developer. Then you choose developer mode here. Then you will going to see the this warning message. Type yes. Then once Windows is doing its thing, you just wait to see what is happening. So you need to be on Wi-Fi so that this setting can happen. You need to be on good Wi-Fi so that you can enable it. So this really, at the end of the day, you'll be able to run Linux command inside your Windows terminal without using the virtual technology, such as VMware and other stuff. So you can still use those virtual technology if your machine is that powerful. But according to my experience, I know that some machines, like when I was a student, I didn't have that good machine that can run, this virtual machine. And every time I opened them, such as VMware, was too heavy and the machine was not able to function the proper way and was sort of killing my machine. And given to the machine, the type of machine we end up having, which is not that powerful, and it's not a good idea to have those heavy software installed on your machine. So while Windows is installing, maybe I'm going to tell you why you need, having the Linux machine inside Windows 10. The first things, Linux is something needed by every software developer. So at the end of the day, you need to have skills about Linux. For example, if you develop website, at the end of the day, you would need to put it on the server. And even though you can use Windows Server, but Windows Server are not recommended way for software engineers to use when they are hosting their website. So today, Linux dominate about 80% of server in the world. So that tells you how much you need to learn Linux, because either you can be system administrator, and you can manage your own website on the server, and this will be you need to know Linux commands in order to manage Linux. On top of knowing Linux command, you also need to know, uh, Linux system and how it works, and how you can, you know, change anything you want at any time you want it. Because in web management, in system administration, that is the daily job. Okay, that is one usability of Linux, but also so there's a time you may need to build cross-platform applications that run on Linux, that run on Windows, that runs on Mac OS, and you need to have a little understanding of what is Linux and how to use it in order to create programs that can be there, that can be installed on any platform. So the skill of having the Linux under your belt is really something that's needed for every developer. So it seems like Windows is done doing this thing. Then we are going to go to control panel. Type control panel here and go to control panel. Then we have our control panel here. Then we need to go programs. Then we need to go, let me see, turn on, that is another, let's see, change the first segment program. So we need to go, see, see where we need to go. Go to programs, let me see. Okay, let me go to program. Okay, this is, you need to go to the program, then you go to this button here, turn on, and you go back. You need to go to programs, and once you go to the program, go to control panel home here. No, sorry. Oh, okay, you go, okay, sorry. You go to here and start a program here. Then you see this feature, turn window feature on or off. Then you will see this pop-up showing here. And we are going to enable Linux subsystem. Window, let me see, window foundation. Okay, we are going to enable this window subsystem for Linux, then hit OK. It's going to install it. So after this is going to reboot, and after rebooting, then we continue the video from where I left. Okay, you can see that it's asking me to reboot, but before rebooting, let me end the video